Nothing happening to Chick-a-dee. Good boy, you attempt to get the ball. Very good. You tried that. Very good. Go get the ball. What did Mango say?
Can I kiss kiss? Kiss kiss. My kiss to play. Can Mango sing? Baby the dummies. Baby. Hi buddy. Good song. Yes, Mango. Hi baby. Yes, buddy, yes, okay. Oh, I said when you were there. Mango. Can I say yes, buddy? Where should the play from, Miss Baby? Mommy pushes the bunch of the sun. Said fine. Please read what fun. Big the sun. Big the bus. I said buddy. Yes, okay. Come on, kid. I love you, baby. Come on, kiss kiss. Kiss kiss, Mango. Mango's a good boy. Good morning. Come on, kiss. I love you, baby. Let's count 3. Come on, kiss. Thank you. Wake up in the rain. Watch them. Let's count, Mango. Hi, Mango. Come here, here's some Mango. What you want? I'm trying. Chick-a-dee, here's Mango. Click.
Gonna play with your ball? Can you show us how you play with your ball? Good boy. Oh, very good. You got your disco ball. Yes, you got your disco ball. Where did it go? It went all the way down. Yes, it went all the way down. Can you get it now? Can you go get it? Good boy. Go get it. Where's your disco ball? Go get your disco ball, Mango. Yes, it's all the way there. I think Mommy has to help you. Okay, Mommy help, okay? There you go. Very good. What a smart bird. Hi, Mango. You're on your treehouse. Are you trying to figure out how to get the disco ball down? Yes, Daddy put the disco ball on top, right here. And you hopped on top to get the disco ball. Now where's Blueberry? Blueberry's right here watching. Yes, Blueberry. You're watching Mango, huh? So what's Mango going to decide? You want to push the disco ball down? Or you just want to sit on top of your tree house? You want to push it? You gotta push it harder. You gotta push it harder to get it off. Good boy. Go get it. Go get your disco ball. Mango, go and get your disco ball. Very good, Mango. There it goes. What a smart bird. What a smart bird. You got your disco ball from the top of the tree house down, and now you're going to get it out. Kind of hard to get out. Okay, Mommy help you. Mommy's going to help you. Mommy's going to give you the chain, and then you yank it out, okay? Good boy. There you go. That's one of your favorite toys now. Let's see where Blueberry is. Hi, Blueberry. You're up there. What a handsome boy. Hi, baby. Yes, this is the camera. You're very camera shy. You're just watching Mango play, huh? Where's your brother? There goes Mango.